everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, guys, so we're going to take a look together at your directions for your text set note catchers. Once you've picked a prompt for your essay, we're going to now go into those texts and get a little bit more details to answer your prompt. So right here we have this assignment, text set note catchers. My learning target is I can answer the prompt by using the what I see, what I think, and what that is strategy for each of my selected texts. My success criteria is I have at least 3 sets of what I see, what I think, and what that is in each note catcher. So let's look at our directions together to make a little bit more sense of those. After you have annotated your prompt, your next task is to collect evidence for your essay. To do so, you will use a text set. Step 1, you're going to click on the text that matches your prompt. So if I go down here, I notice here are my 3 prompts, and underneath it says the text set. So let's say I picked prompt number 1. I'm going to click there, and it's going to take me to this page. Step 2, you'll notice, says make a copy. This will live in your Google Drive. So I'm going to click make a copy, and it just made a copy into my Google Drive. Oh no, wait, I lost it. Guess what? You can make another copy. Like, that's no big deal, okay? So if you can't find it, you can make another copy. And then it says step 3, once you have made your copy, you will explore the text set. You will need to select 3 texts total to collect evidence from. You may select any 3. So when I look here, I notice, wow, there's a lot of things that I can pick from. I'm trying to answer my prompt. Prompt number 1 is asking me, how did a character show resilience? How did they overcome something that was in their way? So I'm going to look through here and pick the one that I think is best for me. So maybe I will go to the Lion and the Mouse. That sounds like a good one. And I'll come down here and start reading. Okay, great. But that's my goal, is to kind of get familiar right now, explore. You can click here and it will show you what you need to write about as you go through. Okay, so that's going to be the next one. Step 4, when you have selected a text, you're going to scroll down to the note catchers that say what I see, what I think, what that is, and fill them out. There is a separate video right here that teaches you about that, but we're going to look right now and just take a quick peek. So I notice that I have text set number 1, and then down here is where I'm going to fill it out. So whichever text I pick, I'll put here, and then I'll fill it out. These directions above are going to help you with that. I just wanted to separate them because it was a lot of directions for one video, okay? Awesome, guys. So that's your goal right now. Pick your prompt, pick your text set, make a copy of it, and then move on to your note catchers. All right. Please make sure, too, that you're making sure you know what due date it is. These are not all due in one day. We're going to split it up over multiple days. So please make sure you're paying attention to that on Schoology. Let me know if you need any help, and happy reading.